In this video, I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of everything you can find in our Settings app. So starting from the home screen in Volt, let's go over to the left-hand navigation and click on Settings. Okay, so there are 4 menu options at the top, and we'll walk through each of them quickly, starting with Store Info. This is where you're going to configure basic information about your store, like the name and email. You can link to a custom domain, enter your physical address, your store status, and your logo and favicon. Finally, towards the bottom, we have some social media options so your customers can actually help spread the word about your store. Okay, now let's have a look at payments. Starting with Volusion Payments, which is our credit card processor that integrates really well with your store and offers you low transaction rates. As we scroll down the page, you'll see other familiar options like PayPal and Stripe, which is the way that you can integrate technologies like Apple Pay and Venmo. Volt is set up in a way to offer you and your customers all of the payment options that they're familiar with so that payment isn't a barrier to purchase. Now let's move on to shipping. On this page, you can configure all your shipping options, like the locations that you're able to ship to. You can also offer curbside pickup and free shipping, which of course your customers will love, but if you need to charge for shipping, you can do that based on price and weight. Now let's talk about SEO. Volt was built with speed in mind, and that's actually really important to good search engine optimization because search engines like Google penalize sites that load slowly. The speed of Volt is going to make sure that your sites load fast, and that's going to up your ranking in search results. Now let's have a look at some of the other options we can configure when it comes to SEO. So scrolling down this page, you're going to see some things like your homepage title and meta description, and that's going to affect how you appear in search. You can also configure some options like verification tags and import things like a sitemap and URL redirects. Now, whether you're new to SEO or you've been at it for a while, but you'd just like to save some time, we have a group of in-house SEO experts that are ready to help you make the most of your SEO. And you can check that out at growwithstudio.com. Now, of course, remember that anytime you have a question or run into a problem, this question mark in the top right-hand corner is here to help you. And you can access things like documentation, a quick chat with us, schedule a call, or watch a video. For more help, check out volusion.com/resource-center.